Hello, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. We're here this morning, a little puppy named Chaos. I'm calling him my shadow, because where I go, he goes. Where I go, he goes. Come on. Come on, Chaos. Good boy, come on. All right, Prada, okay. Hey, you better get out of there. Get. Good boy. Where you going? Where am I going? You can do it. Come on. There you go. Yep, where I go, he goes. My shadow. Little Chaos. We're in the old kennel. I'm just bringing up some food for Prada. She's pregnant. And she's got to eat a couple of times a day there. Shuffle my feet because Chaos here likes to get under my feet. Come on, Prada. Up. Good girl, Prada. Come on, Shadow. Come on, little Shadow. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah, of course, as the puppies get older, they don't stay right near your heel. You go here and there, wander off. Good boy, little Shadow. Good boy. Maybe your dad will change your name to Shadow. That's better. Come on, good boy. I'm in the house here with Dahlia. You better stay here. Come on, Shadow. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're smart. Yeah, we had the pen out in the kennel that he stays in overnight. It's a pen like this here, 2 feet high, and he climbs over the pen wall. Yeah. So you can't leave him with the mom overnight. It just gets too much there. She gets relentless. He gets relentless. He wants to nurse. She won't let him. And so this turns into a situation that's too much. Good boy. Good boy, little Shadow. Hey, get over here. No, don't you. Get over here. Good boy. Good boy. He's trying to get Dahlia riled up. Oh, you're smart. Get her, little Shadow. You got him, Dahlia. You got him, Dahlia. Good girl, Dal. Get him, Dahlia. Get him. The best toy is the live toy, Dal. Little Shadow will be your shadow. Alright, well, that's a little fun time video here this morning with Chaos Short / Shadow. He's really sweet. A friend of mine bought him, and he's coming to get him Friday, Saturday. And so I have the privilege of keeping an eye on him for an extra week. And he's definitely fun. He spends most of the day with me or with my wife. And the big dogs. Good boy. And so I renamed him Shadow. Until next time, thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Any comments or questions, those are welcome. And of course, the Lord bless you as you trust Him today. Most important. And until I see you again, take care.